Yo, welcome to Containing Luxury. We're not going to be covering electrical today, unfortunately, and I'm going to tell you why. So I'm a general contractor. I've been doing this virtually my entire life, and I've heard of a million stories and even been on sites where guys were electrocuted. There are so many risks involved in doing your own electrical work that if you don't know it, then don't touch it. It's a trade that requires a professional. If you've got a friend of the family, a buddy, there's always somebody that's an electrician or an apprentice or somebody that might be able to help you along with that stuff, because a lot of it you're doing when you're not connected to power. That doesn't mean it's safe for you to do yourself, because there's a lot of things that you could do that could potentially, burn the thing down later when you're sleeping in there. You've got kids, you've got dogs, you got anything. You want to make sure that load calculations have been performed, that you're using the right type of wiring, the right type of gauge wiring, the right type of breaker, and all that stuff takes an engineer or a professional that's worked in the trade that's going to know what to use, where, and why. Here we go. Hold on, we got package being delivered. UPS is here. We're not going to just be the ones that tell you, oh, well, here's how you connect a wire and this is how you install an outlet. That's all basic stuff that you can figure out. But we don't want you messing with electrical panels. It's just not safe, it's not right, and we don't want to be responsible for that. So if there's simple wiring questions you have as far as how to install an outlet or that kind of stuff, there's a lot of different people doing YouTube videos on that. But when it comes to wiring the whole container, we're not really going to cover that with you. But we will go ahead and link some videos that we found that are guys doing it right and can help you with that type of basic stuff. But do us all a favor and don't mess with your electrical panel. There's unrestricted power that will kill you. And it's not a game with that stuff. And make sure you don't get calls while you're filming your video. Caleb, I'm filming a video right now. Like, you're on the video right now. Are you there? Dude, my iPhone. Don't buy an iPhone. Be safe, be smart, consult a professional when it comes to electrical work. Plumbing, you might flood your house out. Electrical, you're gonna die. Don't risk it. Just simple as that. We'll see you guys on the next episode.